How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. First of all, go to the Play Store, tap on the search icon and type Instagram. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Instagram and click on update if it's available. Now after updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Then scroll down and click on apps. Now go to app management. Now find Instagram and click on force stop. Now click on force stop and go to storage usage. Now tap on clear data, tap on delete and restart Instagram. If nothing solves the issue, go to Instagram, tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines. Again scroll down. Now tap on help. Now click on report a problem. Now tap on report problem without checking. Now tap on next. Now describe the issue and tap on upload and upload the screenshot and tap on send. You might need to wait for few minutes or few hours. I hope this should fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.